Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can block or hide any song on Spotify. So without causing any delays, let's get started. So first of all you need to do is scroll through your homepage and click open your Spotify app. So once you click it open, in matter of seconds it will take you to its homepage. So on the Spotify app, you can select any song which you wish to hide or block. So here I've shown you an example by selecting a random song. So you need to click on the song. On the top right corner, you will get the three dot option. Now here you need to simply click on hide this song option. Once you click on hide this song option, the song will automatically be hidden and now you can't see this song anymore. So this is how you block a song on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.